Hi, this is Matthew from Perceptive. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about anchoring, which can be used for subconsciously setting the price point for your online customers. Anchoring is one of the most commonly used pricing techniques. It's not just powerful at setting the price point, it has the ability to change the way that we behave too. In the example, three very expensive pairs of shoes are being sold at their highest premium price. These top branded shoes are clearly very expensive and not aimed at the mass market because not many people would be willing to buy them at that price. Especially if your budget for buying new shoes was just $50. There's no way that you'd spend over $1,000 even for something that would get you a lot of compliments from your friends. So how is anchoring felt? Just imagine the next day you're checking the website again and you're completely surprised to see the shoes are now listed at just $99. This new price suddenly seems incredibly cheap and you are overwhelmed by the awesome value. Your heart starts to race, you become very focused on the idea of owning them, so much so that you click the buy button almost immediately. The fact is, the price was intentionally lowered to its real target, creating the effect of extreme value. The customer's context for the price becomes distorted, and they end up focusing on the massive reduction, and they forget about the original budget of $50 and spend twice as much. But there are subliminal effects to anchoring too, and it isn't just about tricking customers into believing that there's been a massive discount. It actually goes much deeper than that. It also changes your perception, and it influences your answers because it subconsciously changes your context. The context being your baseline, the number that's in your mind right now. In the previous example, it was $50, but the online store cunningly set it to $1,499, making $99 look irresistible. If we ran the experiment again without setting the anchor so high, the reaction would have been far less. So, are you ready for a little test? No cheating, okay? That means no Googling or pausing the video if you happen to know the answer. I want you to stare at the number 876 on the screen right now. 876. Keep staring for a while I ask you a simple question. How many stripes are there on a zebra? Hold the answer in your mind, do it quickly, and don't hesitate, just guess and come up with a number. So it turns out, when we asked this question to our audience, they guessed there were 110 stripes on a zebra. It may seem a little unfair, since some of the stripes are joined up, and you might not have recently seen a zebra, but the point of the question wasn't really about how many stripes a zebra has. However, when we asked people without being primed with the number 876, they stated on average that there were just 40 stripes. Now think about that for a moment. The answer of our unprimed audience was 70 stripes lower. Just because we had primed them with a large number, they had more than doubled their answer. To save you now searching for the answer, the unofficial number of stripes of a normal zebra, according to Google, is just 26. So as you can see, anchoring doesn't just highlight value in your products, it also subliminally changes the perception of them too.